Bullish Illuvium cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $239.69 and $521.99 by 2030. Market investigators accept ILV could reach $239.69 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2022 is $42.61. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece. From how ILV varies from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost estimate for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the most current crypto games to raise a ruckus around town. However, financial backers are empowered by its true capacity. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in various ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's ongoing interaction highlights are very like those of Axie Limitlessness, a famous cryptographic money game where players likewise gain unmistakable NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, due to its longing to make an AAA title or a very good quality, superior quality game. To help it achieve this, there are basically two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a staggering 3D climate in Illuvium's open world mode. As indicated by the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social affair Illuvials. This might be very productive, particularly on the off chance that a player is fruitful in catching areas of strength for something exceptional. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the minds of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium digital currency to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The Symbolics administration highlights, which let proprietors to take part in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another component empowering financial backers to hold their speculation. Illuvium is likewise venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be eliminated. However, these are locked for a year. Also, holders will actually want to pull out SILV advanced coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is vital to comprehend that on the grounds that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a cryptographic money. Illuvium specialized investigation. In view of verifiable information, there is an unbiased standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized pointers foresee that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease for the time being. The momentary 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is likewise expected to be negative. Famous Force Oscillator. The general strength list may decide if a digital money is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in an unbiased situation for the present moment. Illuvium current cost. Illuvium is presently worth $53.26 USD. ILV has moved 0.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,076,930. Illuvium is presently positioned 430 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $34,149,963 USD. Illuvium value expectation 2022. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ILV cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $79.90. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $74.57 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $63.92. Illuvium value forecast 2023. In 2023, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $133.16. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ILV's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $106.53 and a typical exchanging cost of $117.18. Illuvium value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $186.42 and ILV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $170.45 and a low of $159.79 in 2024. Illuvium value forecast 2025. In the event that Illuvium effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2025. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $239.69, with a base cost of $213.06 and a typical cost of $223.71. Illuvium Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $276.97 by 2026, with a base cost of $266.32 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ILV has a greatest value worth of $292.95. Illuvium Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $330.24. On the off chance that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $346.22. Neglecting to accumulate the help ILV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $319.59. Illuvium Value Forecast 2028. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $372.85 and a yearly cost close above $399.48 in 2028. Illuvium Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Illuvium will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $426.11 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $452.75, averaging out at $436.77. Illuvium Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ILV cost in 2030 is projected to be $521.99 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $500.68. And, as the economic situations can change whenever and nobody can take care of the cost gauge, let us caution you that few out of every odd value expectation will be right. Hence, Illuvium Value Expectation has been examined above, and great many individuals have looked for it to dive deeper into the hot digital currencies and token. Remember to lead your own exploration and take counsel from a specialist monetary consultant about the normal Illuvium's future. What is the Illuvium cost today? Today, Illuvium is exchanging at $53.26 with a complete